Okay guys, on October 8, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of thimble cactus. Botanically it is called as the mammillaria vetula. Now you can see that we have a lot of pups on a single mother plant. And we just used to touch these out and they just fallen out like this, you can see. And we will try to propagate new plants from these small pups. Okay, and we have taken some of our baby pups. This is one of our first, okay, and this is second, and these are third and fourth and fifth. Now we will try to leave these pups for several days so that they will recover and heal properly. Okay, now let me zoom in out and you can see these pups properly. Now these are our pups. Okay, now these are our four pups. Okay, and this one also. Better is to lift these pups with the help of forceps and not with the scissor or cutter. Okay, now you can see that these are our four pups and they are very small. Okay, on October 17, 2024. Now we have taken our media and all the pups are now properly healed up and they got calloused over properly and no more wounded at all. Now we will try to give water to this media and you can see that the water is going down. The drainage, it seems that the drainage is very good. The drainage of the pot is very good and we will try to level this media with the help of anything, like with the help of this small spade. Okay, now you can see that we got leveled our media properly. Now with the help of this forceps we will try to insert all the pups into the media, and you are not supposed to insert too much deep. This is not good. Just a very small part must be under the media and the remaining part must be above the media. Okay, and usually these pups do not used to die with the sunlight exposure or due to certain temperature ranges. Okay, in the monsoon regions you should have to keep these pups or these small baby plants away from the rain. So now we have planted these out. Okay, we have planted this pup out like this, and if there is a little bit of space we will put some more one or more cutting, and I have zoomed it out so that you can see it properly. Okay, on April 27, 2025, now you can see that I have made two pots in which I have grown these pups, and due to the dormancy season of the winter we cannot see any sort of good growth on the stem side or on the pup side. However, they have developed certain root structure. While they have developed certain good root structure, now you can see this properly. This one is our first, this one is our second, and these are the real results. Okay, although a lot of rain used to fall on these pups, and they have even tolerated the -3 degrees Celsius temperature. So like this you can see. Okay, and now I am zooming it out so that you can see the results properly. that how healthy they are and how they used to survive, okay, against the weather. Okay, now you can see the root structure as well. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the mammillaria, vetula or thimble cactus with the help of pups. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.